Hey everyone, Crystal here at my newest acquisition, SoCal Flip Girl here. I just want to take you on a quick tour, a little before tour. So let's go along. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with large kitchen. Has an extra family room, which I plan to convert into a 4th bedroom to make it a 4-2. So you enter into the living room. Plan on scraping these popcorn ceilings, removing the mirrors, all new flooring. Take you into the kitchen. So the kitchen is going to be a complete gut job. All new cabinets, new flooring, new countertops. What I plan on doing is busting open the wall right here to kind of make it like a bar area, a little eating area, to make it a little bit more open. Here's the laundry area. Plan on moving this water heater outside. Here's the first bathroom. It's a small bath, just a toilet, sink, and shower. Complete gut job here as well. This is the back door that leads to outside. It's kind of cool. They have a garage door in the front and a garage door in the back, so you could pull your car all the way up. It's a pretty spacious lot. It's about a 7,000 square foot lot. So let's go back on the inside. Back through the laundry room, kitchen. So again, right here, this is the wall I plan on opening up and making like a bar eating area to give it a more open feel. To the left, we have our first bedroom. Decent sized bedrooms, closet. Here's the main bathroom. I don't plan on doing any type of super reconfiguration, just keeping everything as is. Just doing updating flooring, countertops, vanities, all that good stuff. Here's our second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Again, decent sized bedrooms. Nice sized closets. Now right here is technically what is the den or the family room, but I plan on turning it into a 4th bedroom. So you see how we have this closet right here? I plan on walling this off so that the closet will be entry closet on this wall right here. So this will be the master with a fireplace, a walk-in closet. There's also another closet right here. The smaller closet is his, the bigger closet will be hers. And it leads out to the backyard here, sliding door. So again, you can kind of see this is a pretty spacious yard. And there you have it. I also plan on knocking down this deck or whatever, cleaning up the yard. There was a lot of junk previously, which I did before this video. But yeah, here it is. So I hope to see you a few months from now with the refinished product. See you soon. Bye-bye.